Hey everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. So let's get started with the rest part of the chapter, linear equations everybody, right? Last time we discussed how to find the solution there. Now let's see graphing and interpreting linear equations in two variables of course. Okay, now general form we all know, क्या है ax plus by equal to c और we can say ax plus by plus c equal to 0 दोनों टाइप हम लिख सकते हैं. a, b and c are the constants here, रियल नंबर्स होंगे. x and y वेरिएबल हैं. x and y की मैक्सिमम पावर क्या हो सकती है 1 एंड कंडीशन इज a and b both कैन नॉट बी 0 राइट एट द सेम टाइम. इसके सोल्यूशन की बात अगर हम करें देन एनी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ द फॉर्म x, y दैट represents the solution of the equation given that x and y satisfy this equation. Okay. Now these values can be found by substituting different values of x or y and solving for the other variable. या तो x की values put करके y की value find out कर लेंगे या y की values put करके x की values find out कर लेंगे and we'll have our solution, right? Then we can put that in the table. Now the solution table represents the equation algebraically we can say. Okay. So let's take an example. Equation है हमारे पास y is equal to 2x plus 1. तो solution pairs क्या हो सकते हैं? Yes, infinitely many are there. Let's see a few of them. If I put x equal to 0, तो y की value क्या होगी? 0 plus 1 that is 1. If I put x as 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 that is 3. Y is 3. If I put x as 2, 2 times 2 4 plus 1 that is 5. So y will be 5. So 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5 these are all the ordered pairs that are the solution of this equation. Okay. Now let's see important points here. So every solution we know will be in the form of ordered pair x, y. अब अगर हम इसकी ग्राफ की बात करें that will always be a straight line. Always. कोई भी linear equation है हमारे पास in two variable उसका ग्राफ हमेशा एक straight line होगा. So these solutions will be points on that straight line. Right? वो points को represent करेगा on the coordinate plane. 2 points are sufficient to draw the graph of a linear equation. क्यों sufficient है 2 points? 2 point अगर मेरे पास हैं और अगर मैं उनको join करूं, so what do I get there everybody? A line. तो एक line को draw करने के लिए minimum 2 points चाहिए हमें. So if we can find that, then we can draw the graph of the linear equation. 2 is enough. Okay. Then the slope of the line depends on the coefficients of x and y. Slope मतलब क्या? Inclination on the x-axis. Let's say this is the equation. तो ये line कितनी inclined है with the positive x-axis, that is the slope. How do we get that? Yes, depends on the coefficients of x and y there. Okay, each point on the line satisfies the given equation, so these will all be the solution of the equation. Okay. Let's see some questions everybody. Solve for x and y. Infinitely many solutions हो सकते हैं. So let's get a few of them. Table बनाएंगे उसके लिए. We'll put the values of x, corresponding values of y हमें मिलेंगी, or we can put values of y, we can get corresponding values of x there. Okay, so equation है 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Let's say I'm putting x equal to 0. So what is value of y? 3y equal to 12. So y is 4. Let's say I'm putting y equal to 0. This is 0. So x is 12 over 2. That is 6. Let's say now I'm putting x as 2. So this is 4, 8. Y is 8 over 3. Right? Okay then. So any other values there? Yes, infinitely many possible. So you can have all the different answers other than these. लेकिन remember what we learned in the last video everybody कि एक value of x के लिए for a particular value of x there will be a uniquely determined value of y there for this equation. Same goes the other way around, right? If you're putting x as 0, everybody will be getting the same answer for the value of y, that is 4, right? Pairs अलग हो सकते हैं, infinitely many possible for a value of x, uniquely determined value of the other variable will be there. Keep that in mind. Okay, next one, solve for x and y. Okay, 3 different equations are there. Let's see. First one के लिए table बनाएंगे. Let's find two solutions each. Okay, x and y. So x minus 2y equal to 4. So if I put x equal to 0, what do I get there? Y is 4 over negative 2. That is negative 2. Then if I put y equal to 0, x is 4. Second one, again let's create a table. X and y. Equation है 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. Okay. easiest way of finding the solutions everybody, एक एक करके x और y को 0 put कर दो. Okay, so x is 0, y is 24 over 4, 6. y को 0 put कर दो, 24 over 3, 8. So 0, 6, 8, 0. Two solutions, more than enough to draw the graph there. Okay, then the third one. Let's have the table x and y. Okay, 3x minus 4y equal to 5. Let's say I'm putting x equal to 0. This is 0. So y is negative 5 over 4. Okay, y I have to put here. Just a second. Okay, if I put y equal to 0, then x will be 5 over 3. So 0, negative 5 by 4 and 5 by 3, 0. अब अगर ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है तो दीज पॉइंट्स माइट कंफ्यूज यू. वहाँ पे अवॉइड करना टू गेट फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यूज, राइट. कुछ ऐसा ले लो जहाँ से मल्टीपल्स आ जाएं सो दैट इंटीजर वैल्यूज आए एंड यू कैन ईजिली पुट द पॉइंट्स देयर एंड प्लॉट द ग्राफ. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स ऑन द इक्वेशन. ओके, अब हमें प्लॉट करना है ग्राफ, तो टेबल लेंगे. कितने पॉइंट्स चाहिए? 2 पॉइंट्स आर इनफ, राइट. सो लेट्स फाइंड दैट आउट. x and y. x is 0, y is 5, y is 0, x is 5. So get your graph paper, coordinate x's लेंगे, x axis and y axis. Points plot करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what are the 2 points everybody? 2 points की अगर हम बात करें 0, 5 and 5, 0, that means एक पॉइंट ये है हमारे पास, एक पॉइंट ये है. दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देंगे यूजिंग स्ट्रेट लाइन देयर और उसे एक्सटेंड कर देंगे. सो दैट इज द ग्राफ, द रिक्वायर्ड ग्राफ ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन, राइट. यहाँ पे लिख भी सकते हैं दैट दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, let's see the next one then. Plot the points on the equation. Okay, now we have the equation as y is equal to 2x minus 1. Table create करेंगे. We need 2 points to plot the graph, x and y. Okay, so if I put x as 0, y is negative 1. Okay, if I put y as 0, I get x as 1 by 2. Let's try to get some integer value there. Okay, so क्या put कर सकते हैं हम x को? Let's say I am putting x as 2. So y will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Right? Fair enough. These 2 points I can plot easily. क्या करेंगे? Again, let's take the graph paper. Axis mark करेंगे. Okay. Now let's plot the points there. 0, negative 1, right? Y is negative 1. X is 0, so on the y-axis. Then 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. Here is the point. Join करेंगे दोनों points को with straight line and we'll extend it on both the sides. So this represents y is equal to 2x minus 1. And that is the required graph there. Okay. Next one. Check if the point lies on the line 3, 3. How do we check it? Substitute कर देंगे equation में. So let's take the left hand side. That is x plus y. X is 3, y is 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6. And that is equal to the right hand side, everybody. So yes, it lies on the line. Next one. Find the y coordinate when x is equal to 2 for the given line. Line क्या है? Y is equal to 3x minus 1. X is equal to 2. Let's substitute the value here. So corresponding y coordinate, uniquely determined y coordinate आ जाएगा हमारे पास. So that will be 3 times 2 minus 1. So y is equal to 5 is the right answer there. Next one. Check if negative 2, 5 lies on the line. Again, same way. We'll substitute both the values there and we'll check the left and the right side. So, left hand side की अगर हम बात करें, that is y which will be 5. Right hand side, negative 2 times x, that is negative 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So, I can say left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So, yes, it lies on the given line. Graphically we check कर सकते हैं, okay, that is another way but longer method. This is easier and the shorter method. So let's quickly summarize what we learnt here today. The linear equation in two variable we can write as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, general form. Graph क्या होगा हमेशा straight line. Solution क्या होगा ordered pair x, y. Infinitely many solutions can be there. Graph plot करने के लिए कितने solution चाहिए और we can say कितने points चाहिए? At least 2. More is also fine, right? 2 से काम चल जाएगा. So if we have x plus y equal to 5, then we can say these all points 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, they all satisfy this or they lie on this straight line there. Join the plotted points with a straight line and that will represent the graph. Every point on the line is a solution. So infinitely many solutions are there for the equation. So that was all for today everybody. I will see you the next time. Stay tuned.